Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be covering two pieces of news that I think that will help you with your future trading. So don't go anywhere. Help us support the channel and subscribe. And while you're there, also click the bell notification so that way you don't miss any more of our videos or news that I'm going to be sharing with you. So the first one that I have is altcoins bagged some big gains, all thanks to Bitcoin's climb. We have Cardano, Kusama, Stellar. These are up double digits, and we're going to take a look at some of the news that we have for it, right? So, of course, we're inching our way to the $100,000 mark for Bitcoin, and altcoins are actively growing as well. So it looks like we're pretty much into the altcoin season. Ethereum also climbed 3.25%, so that's sitting around 34.29 yesterday. But the weekly gains around 7.8% as well, which actually is a little bit higher than a Bitcoin, but either way. So the price of Ethereum, though, is still half of its all-time high, which is $4,864, and its market cap is around $409 billion. Solana also seen a very small gain, though, but 0.24 yesterday, but the price is still up by 19.35% over the past week. Now, it did reach the all-time high of $264 on Friday, so the day before yesterday, and the price of Dogecoin climbed 15%, 15.12% over the last week, so it's sitting around about 42 cents. And Doge price is up around 37% from last month. XRP fell a little bit. Now it's XRP is actually fallen around 5% as of now, but it's still climbed over 180% over the last month as well. So, 10 of the big altcoins that actually seen some of the highest gains of the last week. Cardano is one, 36.8% to it's finally at $1.03. The market cap now sits at $36 billion. On Saturday, the altcoin actually went up around 7.12% as well, and it's grown over 200% over the last 30 days. AVAX is also another big gain at 18.8% over the last week, and 41. So it's reached around 41.43 on Saturday over the past month, and so it's jumped over 60% as well. TRX actually rose about 6% yesterday as well. It's sitting around 21 cents. And over the last 30 days, it jumped over 28%. Ton also grew by 16%. I think it's actually up by 20% today. So it's around $6 or so. And the monthly gains around 85%. And even Stellar XLM jumped 66% to around 49 cents as well. So over the last month. So that's pretty big. 430% jump, which is huge. And DOT even grew up at 35.93 in the last 24 hours as well. So it's sitting around $8.60. But KSM right now grew over 111% within the last 24 hours, sitting at $46.05. But we need to see. So the altcoins price is right now still 93% below the all-time high for KSM. So we need to be taking a look. So all due to the presidential election that Donald Trump bagged in, the market is looking very optimistic and really, really growing. So let's keep an eye on it. All right. So what else do we have? So there's that optimism that we were just talking about previously is even growing for Ripple and Doge. But they're wanting the big question is, are they going to reach $3 by the 31st of December? So like we were talking about previously, XRP's 119% rise last 30 days as well. Doge actually jumped up as well at 203% as well. So all of this is showing some sentiment around $3 by the year by the end of the year. Rex's Finance, RXS, is actually getting some big hope for these coins as well. But some of the tokens like XRP and Doge, Rex's Finance is actually transforming some potential because of the blockchain innovation as well with actual asset tokenization. And RXS is actually giving a strong investment possibility with a pre-sale as well. So XRP and Doge is showing some big momentum and that it's improbable to leap by 3%. But the volatility of the market is getting a macroeconomic, is becoming that. So uncertainty actually makes those high price targets pretty difficult as well. So we'll have to see as well what will happen, right? So the whole big deal right now is Rex's finance is changing the scene for blockchains as XRP and is getting that attention as well. So if you're wanting to know some of the features of RXS, it's the simplified tokenization, so anybody can tokenize their assets using the Rex's token builder without any writing or any line of code. Platform funding, so you can actually use the Rexus Launchpad business, and that way business can generate money for tokenized initiatives, and of course, democratizing access to capital. And CerTic actually audited them as well. So the pre-sale rose 170% from 3 cents to 8 cents. The quantity of 1 billion tokens. It's showing some potential development as well. And early in 2025, the token expected to start around zero point 0.2 and rise by about $35 by the end of the same year. So it started, it's a 43,650% gain. So something I'm definitely going to be taking a look at as well. But the profile is also growing stronger with the investors as well because it was listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and it got over 231,000 entries and $1 million giveaway campaign. Even showed more dedication to showing the community as well. So 20 participants would be rewarded with $50,000 each, and the participants can actually increase their chances of winning by completing tasks on the Rex's Finance website. So something to take note and get a look, and maybe you could win some cash as well. Well, let me know what you guys think. Are we going to reach $3 with XRP and Doge? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.